This is the case of Lori Vallow. Lori Vallow was born in 1973 in the United States and was often described as charismatic, confident, and social. Over the years, she had multiple marriages and built a life that, on the surface, seemed normal. She was the mother of Tylee Ryan and her adopted son Joshua J.J. Vallow, who had special needs. Many people who knew Lori believed she was a caring and attentive parent. A major turning point came when Lori became deeply involved in extreme religious beliefs. She grew close to Chad Daybell, an author who promoted apocalyptic ideas and claimed to have special spiritual powers. Together, they reportedly believed that some people were dark spirits or had become zombies, and that they had a mission connected to the end of the world. These beliefs heavily influenced their actions and decisions. As Lori's beliefs intensified, her behavior changed. Her marriage to Charles Vallow broke down, and he later died in 2019 under suspicious circumstances. Around the same time, Chad Daybell's wife also died unexpectedly. Not long after these events, Lori and Chad got married, which raised further suspicion among those who knew them. In 2019, Lori's children, Tylee and JJ, suddenly disappeared. Lori did not report them missing, which immediately alarmed relatives. When police began investigating, Lori and Chad gave unclear and conflicting explanations about where the children were. At one point, Lori even claimed the children were safe but refused to provide proof. This lack of cooperation led authorities to take the case much more seriously. The breakthrough came through a combination of digital evidence, witness accounts, and persistent investigation. Police tracked phone records and location data, which placed individuals connected to Lori and Chad in key locations at important times. Investigators also re-examined earlier deaths linked to the couple and found patterns that raised serious concerns. Eventually, authorities searched Chad Daybell's property in Idaho. During this search, they made a critical discovery that confirmed the worst fears of investigators and the public. This discovery provided the evidence needed to directly connect Lori and Chad to the deaths and led to their arrests. Following the discovery, both Lori and Chad were taken into custody and charged in connection with the deaths. The case then moved through the legal system, gaining widespread media attention due to its disturbing nature and unusual beliefs behind it. The case went to court and received massive public attention due to its disturbing details. In 2023, Lori Vallow was found guilty of multiple serious charges related to the deaths of her children and conspiracy in other deaths. She was sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. Chad Daybell was also convicted in a separate trial. In 2024, he was sentenced to death for his role in the murders. The case of Lori Vallow shows how extreme beliefs, combined with suspicious actions, led to a tragic outcome. Careful investigation and strong evidence allowed authorities to uncover the truth and bring those responsible to justice. What began as a missing persons case became one of the most disturbing criminal cases in recent history.